students, I am Sneha Tripathi, Assistant Professor of English at LG Institute of Applied Sciences. So today in this video, we'll be learning about different degrees of comparison as per the revised syllabus of Gujarat University 2019 and 20 mentioned for BSc Semester 3 General English paper, and the code is 201. So let us start with the topic. Before we start with the topic, we need to understand what is degree of comparison. So in degree of comparison, we compare two nouns, the quality of two nouns. So basically it deals with adjective. So there are three degrees of comparison. The first positive degree, second comparative degree, and third superlative degree. The first kind of degree is positive degree. What is a positive degree? Positive degree gives you simple sentences without any comparison. It refers to one object, person, or place. For example, he is a rich man, or he has a big house, or John is a clever boy. So words such as over here, rich, big, clever are adjective which indicates the positive degree of the sentence. Moving forward to the second type of degree, that is comparative. What is a comparative degree? It refers to a greater kind of comparison in comparison to the positive degree. Okay, for example, it is used for two objects, people, or places. Here we can see that there are two trees. One is taller than the other. We can state this in a sentence. For example, tree A is bigger than tree B. So over here the comparison is done between two objects and one is shown better than the other. Moving forward to the third kind of degree, that is superlative degree. It is the highest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than two objects, people, or places. Now it is very important to note that superlative degree is not used when in the sentence the comparison is done between two individual identity, between two singular object, people, or place. It is only possible when a group of people, places, or object is compared. For example, here we can see that there are many students, but only one student seems to be burdened with the bag. So we can write this: Sheldon carries the heaviest bag among all the children. This means no other children among the class or shown on the figure carries as heavy bag as Sheldon. So Sheldon is having the heaviest bag. Moving forward, we'll learn about transformation from one degree to another degree. There are a few rules of it. Let us look at the rules. While transforming from positive to comparative or to superlative degree, the adjective takes various forms. For example, in one or two syllabic words, the ER or EST is added after the adjective. ER in comparative, EST in superlative degree. We'll see a few examples of positive degree which are transformed into comparative and superlative degree, and here are few words which are disyllabic or monosyllabic. For example, sweet, sweeter, sweetest, bold, bolder, boldest, clever, cleverer, cleverest, kind, kinder, kindest, young, younger, youngest, great, greater, greatest. Moving forward to the second rule. The second rule applies when the positive degree ends with the letter E. So when positive degree ends with the letter E, the superlative degree and the comparative degree is added with only letter R and ST to the adjective. We'll see a few examples of it. For example, brave, braver, bravest. Here the last letter of brave is E. So in comparative only R is added and in superlative only ST is added. So similarly, fine, finer, finest, white, whiter, whitest, able, abler, ablest, noble, nobler, noblest, wise, wiser, wisest. Moving forward to the third rule. In this type, when a positive adjective ends with the letter Y, in this type of words, we will eliminate Y and add IER in comparative degree and IEST in superlative degree. We'll see few examples like happy, happier, happiest. Here, from positive to comparative, Y is replaced by IER, and from positive to superlative, Y is replaced by IEST. Other examples such as easy, easier, easiest, heavy, heavier, heaviest, merry, merrier, merriest, wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Moving forward, when a positive degree word has one syllable that ends with a vowel and next letter is a consonant. So this combination, when we have such kind of combination, ER and EST is added to the consonant by doubling the consonant. Okay, let me give you an example. It will be more clear then. Red, redder, reddest. So here the last letter of red is D, which is a consonant, but it is preceded by a vowel letter, that is E. So if a vowel is followed by a consonant, then in comparative degree, the D, that is a consonant sound, will be repeated, hence double D, followed by ER. Similarly, in superlative degree, the D is repeated, followed by EST. Similar examples, big, bigger, biggest, hot, hotter, hottest, thin, thinner, thinnest, sad, sadder, saddest. Moving forward, another rule. When a positive degree word, an adjective, is very long, it is not monosyllabic, it is not disyllabic, okay, it has 4 syllables, 5 syllables. At that time, you need to add prefix, words such as more, most, before the adjective while transforming it to the comparative and superlative form. Here are few examples, like in positive, beautiful, it will be more beautiful in comparative, most beautiful in superlative. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. There are few degrees whose comparative and superlative degree is altogether different. They are irregular degrees of comparison. Let us look for the example. Such as good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, lesser, least, late, later, latest. It has another meaning: late, later, last, far, farther, farthest, for, further, furthest, in, inner, innermost, up, upper, uppermost. Moving forward, let us look at the formulas of all the 3 degrees of comparison. The formula for positive degree is as, adjective, as. For example, no other newspaper in India has as large circulation as the Times of India. In comparative degree, the formula is adjective plus ER, then. Example, no other newspaper in India has larger circulation than the Times of India. And the last degree, superlative degree. Remember, it is possible over here to transform the superlative degree because the comparison is between one newspaper along with the other newspapers. So, the superlative degree formula is the adjective plus EST. Example, the Times of India has the largest circulation in India. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.